In today's video, I'm going to teach you how easy it is to use Webflow. If you've ever wondered whether Webflow is the right tool for you, especially if you're just starting out or have some design experience, you're in the right place. From its intuitive interface to the extensive resources available, Webflow has become a popular choice for web designers and developers. So, let's dive into what makes Webflow easy to use, especially for beginners starting with basic websites. First off, Webflow is generally considered user-friendly for basic website creation. If you have some design background, you might find yourself at home relatively quickly. Webflow's visual interface is one of its standout features, allowing you to drag and drop elements, style them using controls similar to CSS, and build websites without touching a line of code. This approach makes it accessible for those who may not have extensive coding knowledge but want the freedom to design creatively. Now, if you're just getting started, Webflow can feel like a breath of fresh air. The platform is beginner-friendly for basic websites thanks to these drag-and-drop capabilities and an interface that is intuitive and clean. It allows aspiring web designers to experiment with design elements without the intimidation of coding from scratch. To make the learning process even smoother, Webflow University acts as a valuable resource hub. Webflow University offers tutorials, comprehensive documentation, and additional resources tailored to help users of all levels understand and utilize the full potential of the platform. Whether you're looking to learn the basics or explore more advanced features, Webflow University has something for you. Moreover, Webflow offers a great variety of templates and pre-built components, which can significantly speed up the website building process. These templates are a fantastic starting point, especially if you're working with common website types such as portfolios or landing pages. They provide design inspiration and functional elements that you can customize to suit your brand or project requirements. Additionally, Webflow boasts a large and active community. This community is invaluable. It consists of fellow Webflow users and experts who offer support through forums, share tutorials, and answer any questions you might have. The community is warm and welcoming, ensuring that you never feel alone in your web design journey. In summary, while mastering Webflow for advanced functionalities might take some time and effort, its ease of use for basic websites makes it an excellent platform for beginners and experienced designers alike. With its intuitive interface, robust library of resources, and strong community support, Webflow is designed to empower users to bring their creative visions to life without the typical barriers associated with traditional web development. As you explore this dynamic tool, you'll discover just how enjoyable and rewarding creating with Webflow can be.